channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Black Friday canvas from Diamond Art Club. And you can tell it is a square because it has the blue and the blue square around it. This one is called Betsylynn. I'm talking about Betsylynn. Betsylynn. I thought about this one as well. I love the bright colors. I love what she's looking like. I'm going to show you when we get to the picture, but after I started looking at it, I was like, hey, I told y'all I bought a lot for Black Friday. I am set all the way through my retirement age when I get there and beyond. Shoot, I'm good. But you never know. It might come out one. I'm like, ooh, I want that one. Like I said before, guys, I love being able to shop in my craft house. I'm shopping for which one I want to work on. Y'all know the ones I've been already working on. So I love that. All right. Again, it is a square. So you have the tweezers, very sharp tweezers, the blue drill pen, the clear boat. You have a squishy, a blue squishy. You have tons of bags. And there you can see the heart wax and the four placer. I love that they're putting the four placers back, keeping the four placers in there. Y'all know the little square picture. Here she is, Betsylynn by Michajelina. I'm trying to think. I don't know if this is my first Michajelina or not. And look how beautiful she looks, guys. I'm loving those bright colors. I'm hoping they are really true to what the image looks like. That bright, and she is a 69 centimeter by 55 centimeter square, which is 27.1 inches by 21.6 inches, and has ABs. There are 42 colors, and there's one AB. Yeah, one AB is not going to work for me. I already know. So I will definitely add another. I'm loving her wings, so I don't know if that's the AB for that or not, but definitely going in them wings. Beautiful drills. Of course, y'all can see it is labeled ABs, Betsylynn. Alright. Here is the step-by-step instructions that is in every canvas, which I love for those that may be new. And then it also has a discount code in there. Oh, I love that she's turned that way. Oh, that's going to be cute. Yes. Woo. I'll be living that 310 life, I can tell you that. Oh my God. So, because she is poured glue, y'all know I can roll her the other way. There is no problem when you do it with poured glue. Double-sided adhesive is another issue. All right. Now look, I love that it's long this way. Look how cute she is, guys. OMG. I am loving her hair. That looks like my locks. I'll do my little curls on my locks and put it up in a ponytail. That is just so cute. Absolutely love her. These wings are everything. I would definitely probably get some ABs to go on these wings if that's not what we already have. We'll see. Look how pretty she is, guys. In the background, she's got the curtain. Y'all know, remember back in the day we used to have those curtains with the beads hanging down, shimmering. You walk through, it makes that noise. I love that. But hers are chains. What are you talking about? That is so cute. Then look at her tattoo. What? Going across her chest right here, shoulder to shoulder in her chest. I love it. And look at these glasses. They got little point cat eye glasses. Oh, this girl is sharp. You hear me? Then she has her lava lamp going. Oh my gosh. And a record player. Are you kidding me? She is listening to her records. Got her drink on. This is gorgeous, guys. Now, I love me some vinyl. Y'all know I talk about that all the time. I love me some vinyl records. You cannot go wrong with vinyl records. Then look over here, guys. She's got her crate full of her vinyl records. What? This is my type of girl right here. She is chilling, got her lava lamp on, got her drink, listening to her music. She took it looking beautiful. Look at her dress with the pom-pom underneath it, a little tutu that's purple. What? Took off her shoes. She's chilling listening to her music and drinking her drink. That's what I'm talking about. That is my type of girl. Look at her. Beautiful. Of course, there's the schematic on the top left as well as the bottom right. Let's go ahead and get her straight. Very sticky. But I know them blacks, boy. Woo! That's going to be something. Y'all can see all that black tint, that 310. There is the schematic here. You can see her thumbnail. Betsylynn, 69 by 55 centimeter by Micah Jelena, Diamond Art Club. Look at the drill field, guys. Look at those shoes. What? Clear as day. So let's turn her around. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I'm hoping these colors are bright. The workup on it is beautiful from Diamond Art Club. So I want these colors to be bright. So let's go ahead and look at these drills. And let's see, guys, because y'all know I'm excited about that. My little stool, my footstool moving. Okay, so there are 42 colors. Boy, I wish I could drill a little faster than I I be wanting to see these things done, but y'all know I'm slow. But that's okay. There ain't no race, guys. We got 1, 2, whoa, 3 trains. And this one train, come on now. 1 train full of 310. Good googly blue. Okay, so let's see. We got 2 other colors on here. 606, 3865. That's an off-white. And then here's all the 310s, guys. What are you talking about? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 310s. 14 310s. Now, I hope I don't have a lot of trash in these, but y'all know when they do mass production of one color, usually it's the black, because we do a lot of black with Diamond Art Clubs. With any canvas, really, if you have a lot of black, but majority, it's always the blacks. And you will get some trash, but because of the mass production. But any issues that if you can get to your canvas and it's not, you run out, of course I'll have extras because I've got other canvases. But you can always contact Diamond Art Club and they will send you some right out, baby. They ain't got no problem with that. All right, so let's do this one. The second train. 803, 992. I like that. 814, 208, 907. Look at this bright orange. I'm loving it. 947, 797, 318, 308, 796, 327, 740. I'm loving the oranges. This one is 823, 415, 321, 3837. Ooh, first AB 137. 137? I don't see a 137. Oh my gosh, it snuck it in, guys. Let me show y'all the thing again. It's at the bottom. It's usually up here, but it's down here. Because I'm like, 137? We got no 137. Yes, yes. So there are 2. And this one is gorgeous. I love that teal. Hopefully that is in the wings. And I will get an orange. Yes, baby. That's going to be beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. 137. 762. 741. 606. And then the last smaller one, which we should see the other AB on this one. Oh, that's very little. 954, 913, 745, 905, 210, 165, 742. These are very tiny. 700, 209, 3772, 444. Oh, that's a beautiful bright yellow. 444. 996, 906, 3864, 898. 498, 890, 991, 3814, and the last AB is orange, 132. But it seems like I have to see where this one goes, but I might have to get I like a brighter orange. That other orange they had on here, like this one. See the difference in those? Might have to get that one. 740. I think I got 740. But that's the second AB. So let's see where these babies go. You know I want to see that. Alright, so the first one is number 1, which is 132, and that's an orange. So it is number 1. Let's see where it goes. I see the number, this orange is going around the ring of the door. That's ones, ABs. And are you kidding me? There's none in the wings. None in the wings. There's a couple right here on her chest and her tattoo. And that's it, guys. Yeah, baby. No, I gotta have, can y'all see this drink sparkling with ABs? Yes, baby. Her wings got to have some. That's the first thing I noticed is her wings. So definitely going to have to get some for that. And then 137 is a dash mark. Oh my gosh, these people. Is a dash. And that's that blue that we surprisingly got. And it's in her hair here. All in these curls. Oh my gosh. There's none there. On her wings here. Oh yeah. All this right here in her wings. The blue is the AB. So I would definitely get some orange or yellow. Or red. Whatever color these are when I look them up. For the inside. I cannot see this not being ABs. And I think that's it. Well, let's see. Okay, we got some blue here. In her shoes. Inside of her shoes are ABs. And then here. And then on her headphone. No, is that the headphone or the record player? That might be the record player. It's got some ABs on the record player. Are you freaking kidding me? This is super pretty. I can't wait to work on this one either. Beautiful. But I'm going to definitely get some ABs for right here. The reds and the oranges. I got to have that. That's going to be beautiful. So y'all let me know what you think. And I might do it for the lava lamp too. Gotta have some extra sparkle in that. So again, it is Betsylynn. She is beautiful. I absolutely love the bright colors. I can't wait to kit her up as well. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.